use your VA loan to buy a fixer-upper. There's a couple ways that we can go about this, because one of the problems that people have with VA loans that they think they have is that it's gonna have all these inspection requirements, all this crap, right? Or it's a distressed property. You can still do that. The VA allows us to use what's called a renovation loan, the VA Renovation Loan. And on my side, I can finance up to $75,000 worth of repair costs into your VA loan. There's going to be some caveats. We're going to have to get some information from the GC who's going to complete the work. We are going to have an appraisal done that makes sure that the home will be worth as much as the cost of purchase plus the repairs once completed. So we got to have an appraisal that supports the future value of the home. You cannot do additions, right? So the idea behind the renovation loan is that you are bringing the property up to safety and sanitation standards. Those marble countertops that you want to fly in from Italy, get them out of here, you're getting granite. Sorry about your bad luck. The idea is, again, that you're able to buy the house, finance the improvements, and still use your VA loan to buy a fixer-upper and get instant equity. Because if you put 50 G's into a house, 75 G's into a house, I guarantee you're gonna get a bigger ROI, a bigger return on that investment. You're allowed to buy a distressed property. If you're gonna go beyond that number, then we have to look at construction loans. If you're doing a construction loan, totally different process. We can talk about that, but that's anything that's where you're doing an addition, where you're doing all the stuff, all the high-end finishes, that's gonna be construction loans. And again, similar to the renovation loan, you have to make sure that it's going to be worth the amount of money that you're putting into it, the amount of money that you are financing into that property, okay? If you have questions about this, 630-235-2405, theVALoanNerd.com, all the good stuff. All right, talk soon.